Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in CapCut for YouTube Shorts. First, open CapCut and import your video. Then drag it to the timeline. CapCut will automatically set the resolution based on your video. But since we're creating a YouTube short, we need to change that. Click on Ratio just below the player. Select the 9:16 ratio, which is perfect for shorts. This will reformat your video to the vertical layout. Next, adjust your video to fit the frame. You can click and drag the corners of the video to resize it so it covers the entire frame. Make sure your important content stays within the center area of the screen, as that's where most of your audience will focus. If some parts of the video fall out of frame, you can split the clip. Move to the point in the video where the issue occurs. Click on the Split button, and then you can adjust just that part. This way, changes won't affect the entire video, and you can make sure every important detail stays visible. Once you're happy with the framing, give your video a quick playback to make sure everything looks good. And that's it. Your video is now cropped and formatted perfectly for YouTube Shorts. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.